Okay, so I'm going to show you FlowX here with Vector Plus, and here's my new FlowX control panel, which is really good because I can see all my data and everything here, and I can bring things in and out easily. And if I go to Vector Plus now, I got these buffers, and one of my keys here is set up just to have this picture that's coming in. But if I come to my buffer here and change it, I can go here to a web browser. Then when I look at open the output of FlowX, which is this one, I can take this URL, copy it, then bring it straight into Vector like so. And now it will synchronize, and now we've got basically our FlowX graphics running here on my key 4. So now if I go back to my control panel, what's nice here is I can just, from my control panel, I can be controlling my graphics whilst my key is live in Vector Plus. I can be bringing in and out locators, lower thirds, etc. It's easy as that.